Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are back with another tutorial, but this time we are doing mocktails. What's a mocktail? A mocktail is a cocktail without the alcohol and without the hangover. First up today, we will be making the macho rose. Now I have it all set up on ice in these glasses. We're going to make it in this pink wine glass. And I have here a can of already rose matcha. What we're going to do is just add that to ice. Fill it up to probably an inch away from the top of the glass. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take a little bit of whatever type of creamer you want. This was made in a frother, but I want to give it a little bit of a cloud. And believe it or not, this tastes delicious. And then sprinkle some dried rose petals on. And then I have a little bit of matcha that I'm just going to sprinkle on top of the foam and on top of the edible rose petals. And then you're done. It's that simple. So mocktails can be as simple as this, using a different brand's rose matcha. Sometimes when you're doing events, clients will want you to use something this has collagen in it. So it could be an event where they want to use their brand and you make a mocktail from it, or you can just use things like sparkling water, kombucha, pineapple juice, and then you add something to it. I think this one might be a little easier. So all you need is your favorite type of cold brew coffee, add it to some ice, and then add some lavender almond milk. It's so easy to make this. And you pour it in, and you can even add an additional amount of lavender on top. And voila, you have the most delicious lavender latte, AKA Moscow Fuel. It's a pun on the cocktail Moscow Mule, but instead you're going to get some fuel from this mocktail. Now our final mocktail we will be making this evening is going to be perfect for the holidays. I call it the Mary Berry. Mary is short for rosemary because this cocktail is infused with sugared cranberries, rosemary, and cinnamon bark. So the base of this mocktail is pineapple juice. Go ahead and pour it on your desired glass. To top it with rosemary, cinnamon bark, you have the perfect holiday drink. If you were to add any type of liquor in these mocktails, I would recommend whiskey for the Mary Berry, Bailey's for the Moscow Fuel, and then champagne or Prosecco for the matcha rose. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will be back with more videos soon. So good.